today we're going to be going over the first derivative test. So what this will do is that it'll allow you to figure out if your function is increasing or decreasing at a particular point. So if you got a derivative and it ends up less than 0 at a particular x value, then you got a decreasing function. And if it's positive, then it'll be an increasing function. And if it's 0, then you're not increasing or decreasing. So we'll build more intuition with this next example, but just remember always that your derivative is basically your slope. And so you'll have a negative slope if you're decreasing and a positive slope if you're increasing. So let's look at this example. We got f of x is equal to x squared. So if you're to take the derivative of f of x, what would it be? I'd invite you to figure this one out. Alright, so the derivative would be 2x. And if you were to try to find out if the function is increasing or decreasing when x is equal to -1, so that'd be over here, you would just plug in x equals -1 for the derivative, and then that would give you a value of -2. So we got a negative slope right here, and so that must mean that we're decreasing. If you were to plug in +1, then you would, for the derivative, you would get a positive slope, and so that means you're increasing at that particular point. So that would be over here. We're increasing, the function's increasing over here. And so, yeah, that's what there is to say about the increasing and decreasing functions. Tomorrow we'll go over some practice problems for this. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you back soon.